In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to Lovable. We're going to set up a simple webhook in n8n that Lovable can call, so your automations kick off the moment Lovable sends data. Start by opening n8n in your browser and signing into your workspace. Create a new workflow or open an existing project where this integration should live. You'll land on the workflow canvas, which is where everything happens. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add a node. In the search bar, type webhook and select the webhook node. This node will act as your trigger, listening for incoming HTTP requests from Lovable and handing that data to the rest of your workflow. In the webhook settings, choose the HTTP method Lovable will use. Most integrations send JSON via POST, which is a safe default. If Lovable sends data as query parameters, GET can work, but POST is more common and flexible for JSON payloads. Next, set the path. This becomes part of your webhook URL, so keep it clear and unique, something like Lovable incoming or Lovable update. Use only lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens to avoid issues. This URL is what you'll provide to Lovable. Configure authentication if you want to secure the endpoint. If Lovable lets you add custom headers, a simple token header is a good choice. Basic auth is another option. For quick prototypes, you can skip auth, but add it before going live to keep your data safe. Choose how n8n should respond. Respond immediately is usually best, so Lovable doesn't time out while your workflow continues processing. You can also set the status code and a short acknowledgement message if Lovable expects one. Click test this trigger. n8n will wait for an incoming request and show you a status that it's listening. Keep the tab open. Now send a test request from Lovable or from a REST client using the exact method path and any authentication you configured. Make sure the content type matches your payload, typically application JSON. When the request arrives, you'll see the payload captured in n8n confirming the connection. Save your workflow, add any processing nodes you need, like passing fields, writing to a database, or sending notifications, and then activate the workflow so it runs outside of test mode. Use the production webhook URL in Lovable for real traffic, and keep your credentials and URL private. And that's it. You've connected n8n to Lovable using a reliable webhook trigger ready to power your automations.